Hey there. Have you ever wanted to share an Instagram video from your PC but didn't know how to get the link? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to show you the simple steps to copy the link of an Instagram video on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your feed. Next, find the video you want to share. Scroll through your feed, or search for a specific account to locate the video you have in mind. Once you've found the video, look for the 3 dots at the top of the post. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the menu, select Copy Link. This will automatically copy the link of the Instagram video to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully copied the link of the Instagram video on your PC. Now you can easily share it with friends, post it on other social media platforms, or save it for later viewing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.